Here see, so in activity first draw jumps backward to illustrate the division sentence. Here division sentence is given 30 divided by 5. On this basis we have to jump backward. So what? So here 30 means we starts from 30. So where is our 30? Here we have 30. So we starts from here 30. In each steps, how many steps we have to take back? 5. It means if you take 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means from here to 30 to 25. This is our first jump. Then again after 5 jumps backward means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are at 20. Again 5 steps backward means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are at 15. From 15 to again 5 steps backward means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are at 10. So from 10 again we have at 5 steps backward means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are at 5. From 5 to again 5 steps backward means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we are at 0. We are at 0. So it means if we take 30 from 30 to 5 steps back, so then where we are at 0. Then how many jumps we take? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jumps we need. How many jumps? 6 jumps. It means if 30 from 30 to 0, if we take 5 steps back, then 6 jumps we need. 6 jumps we need. So then, we have to write. So we have to write the sentence also. We have to write the sentence also. So here 6, how many jumps? 6 jumps. 6 jumps of 5. 6 jumps of 5. So we get from 30 to 0. 30 to 0. So 6 jumps of 5 we get from 30 to 0. How many jumps we need? 6 jumps. We need 6 jumps of 5 each. So then we get 30 to 0. Now here division sentence. What is the division sentence? 16 divided by 4. So it means, so from where we have to start? From 16 we have to start. So here we have 16. From 16 we have to take 4 steps back. 4 steps back. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If you take 4 steps back means, so we are at 12. So again from 12 to if you take 4 steps back means 1, 2, 3, 4. We are at 8. We are at 8. From 8 to if we take 4 steps back means 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are at 4. From 4 to if we take 4 steps back means we are at 0. Okay. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. 16 divided by 4 means 4 steps. Means 4 jumps. 4 jumps. 4 jumps of 4. 4 jumps of 4. We get 16 to 0. 16 to, if you take 4 jumps of 4, then you are, so from 16 to 20. You are from 16 to 20. From 16 to 20, from 16 to 20 you reach from 16 to 20 in 4 jumps. So each jump of 4 units, 4 steps. Okay. Now in the next, the third one, the division sentence is given 27 divided by 3. 27 divided by 3. Where is 27? So here we have 27. From here we have to take 3 steps back. First 3 step means 1, 2, 3. We are at 24. Again if you take 3 steps back means 1, 2, 3. We are at 21. If you take again 3 steps back means from 21 to 3 steps means you are at 18. From 3 steps back means you are at 15. From 15 to if you are at 3 steps back means you are at 12. 3 steps back means you are at 9. If you take 3 steps again back means you are at 6. If you take 3 steps back means you are at 3. If you take again 3 steps back means you are at 0. Then how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 jumps. How many jumps? 9 jumps. Here statement 9 jumps. 9 jumps of 3. So we get 27 to 0. 27 to, we get from 27 to 0. We get from 27. From you write here from also. From 27 to 0. You will get from 27 to 0. So 9 jumps of 3. Each jump of 3 units. So in 9 jumps, then you will get 20 from 27 to 0. This is here. Division statement is given 28 divided by 4. 28 divided by 4. So here 28, where is 28? You have to see there. So here we have 28. From 28 to 4 steps we have to take back, and in how many steps you reach at 0, that you have to write. This you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now here see students, now division using multiplication chart. Multiplication chart, using multiplication chart we have to divide. First we have to prepare multiplication chart. How to prepare multiplication chart? See here. So till 12 table we have to write. So in column as well as in row also. So we have to take till 12 tables. Now we have to write 12 tables. Here one table. 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 6s are 6, 1 7s are 7, 1 8s are 8, 1 9s are 9, 1 10s are 10, 1 11s are 11, 1 12s are 12. Next 2 table, we have to write 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24. Next 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30, 3 11s are 33, 3 12s are 36. Next 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40, 4 11s are 44, 4 12s are 48. Next 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 5 11s are 55, 5 12s are 60. Then 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60, 6 11s are 66, 6 12s are 72, 6 12s are 72. Now 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 42, 7 5s 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70, 7 11s are 77, 7 12s are 84. Next 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80, 8 11s are 88, 8 12s are 96. Next 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90, 9 11s are 99, 9 12s are 108. Next 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50, 10 6s are 60, 10 7s are 70, 10 8s are 80, 10 9s are 90, 10 10s are 100, 10 11s are 110, 10 12s are 120. Next 11 table, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99, 11 tens are 110, 11 elevens are 121, 11 12s are 132, 132. Okay. Next 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sevens are 12 sixes are 72, 12 eights are 84, 12 nines are 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120, 12 elevens are 132, 12 12s are 144, 12 12s are 144. In this way we have to prepare our multiplication chart, multiplication table chart. Till 12 tables we have to prepare. So, okay students, then after that we are going to do sums on this table, on this chart. Okay. In this activity 2, divide the following using multiplication tables. So, all these divisions we have to do using multiplication table, using multiplication table. So, see how to divide using multiplication table. See here 21, here 21 is divided by 3, 21 divided by 3. So, it means we have to take 3 table first here. Where is 3 table? This is 3 table, this is 3 table. In 3 table we have to see, so where it is 21, see where is 21, here, from here to here. So, we have to move 21 till 21, here 21, where is 21, here 21, here 21. So, now you see exactly opposite to that, what is there, 7. Here we have to go till 21, here we have 21, here we have 21. So, we have to see exact where it is, 7s are, means in 7s are, it means we have to take here 7. First we have to see 3 tables, here 3 table, in 3 table we have to see where is 21 here. So, in horizontal where it is, so in 7, so that is our answer. So, now here 28 here 2 table, in 2 table, so we have to take 28. So, here in the 28 in 2 table we do not have 20, we have only 24. So, if you take till 14 then you will get 28. So, means it is 14, it is 14. So, okay. So, till 14 you will get. So, if you take more 2 tables then you will get your answer. Okay. Here next question 30. So, we have to see in 5 table. So, where is 5 table? This is 5 table. In 5 table we have to see it 30. Where is 30? In 5 table, here we have 30. Here we have in 5 table, here we have it 30, and this opposite we have to see where it is 6. So, that we have to write. Next 32, the table is 8. 8 table, where is 8? 8. In 8 table we have to see 32, where is 32? Here we have 32. In 8 table, here we have 32. So, in horizontal we have to see where it is, at 4. So, means here at 4. Now, again 24, 24 in 2 table. So, where is 2 table? Here in 2 table, here we have 2 table. In 2 table we have to see 24, where is 24? Here we have 24. In 2 table, here we have 24. Now, horizontal you have to see where it is, 12s, means here 12. Now next, here 12. 12 in 3 table we have to see. In 3 table, where is our 3 table? So, here. In 3 table we have to see 12. Where is 12? Here we have 12. 12 means at 4. At 4. Again at 4 means 4 we have to write here. Now 14 in 7 table, 14 in 7 table. In 7 table, where is 14 here? In 7 table we have 14 here. See horizontally where it is, 2s are. Here we have to write 2. So after that 18 in 6 table we have to see. 18 in 6 table, 6 table, this is 6 table, 18 we have to see. Here we have 18. In vertical we have to see. So in 6 table where is 18 here? In horizontal where it is? It is at 3. So we have to write here 3. First in the table, so in this table where, so this 18 will come, we have to see vertically, and horizontally where it is, so that you have to write your answer. Okay, okay students. Now students, here division and multiplication are related. How they are related? Division as well as multiplication, both are related to each other, How they are related to each other? See here. Here how many flowers are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 flowers are there. Total 12 flowers are there. So then in first group 4 flowers are there. In second group 4 flowers are there. In third group 4 flowers are there. In each group 4 flowers are there. How many groups are there? 3 groups. It means 3 groups of 4 makes 12. 3 groups of 4 makes 12. 3 groups of 4, 3 groups makes of 4 means 4 flowers in each, it makes 12. 3 groups of 4 makes 12 means 3 into 4 is 12. This is multiplication. So in each group 4 flowers are there. 3 groups of 4 makes 12. Then in division, so then how to convert multiplication as division? See here. 12 divided into the group of 4 is 3 groups. It means this 12 divides into group of 4. If 4 flowers are there in each group, 4 flowers are there in each group, then how many groups we can make? 3 groups we can make. So it means 12 divided into group of 4s is 3 groups. 12 divided into 4 group of each makes 3 groups, means 4 flowers are there in each group, total in 12 flowers. In 12 flowers, say if we keep 4 flowers in each group, then we can make 3 groups. So this is our division statement. This total flowers divided with 4 flowers in each group, which gives 3 groups. How many groups we can form? 3 groups. In another form, 12, this total flower divided into 3 groups. Then how many groups are there in each? How many flowers are there in each group? 4 flowers are there. So it means 12 divided by 3 means total flowers divided into 3 groups. Then how many flowers are there in each group? 4 flowers are there. So these two are division statements. So 12 total flowers divided into 4 flowers in each group, then you will form 3 groups. These total flowers divided into 3 groups, then 4 flowers are there in each group. So these two are division statements. And multiplication statements, 3 4s are 12 or 4 3s are 12. So here we have 2 statements, here we have 2 statements. Okay. In multiplication also we have 2 statements, and division also have 2 statements. This is a relation between multiplication and division. Okay. Now here activity 3. In this activity, write multiplication facts of the following. Multiplication facts we have to write. So here division fact is given. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then how to write? So using this division fact, how to write multiplication fact? It is very easy. So in division we have to multiply these two. 5 into 3 or 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So quotient into divisor is equal to dividend, or otherwise 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 5 into 3, 3 into 5, 5 into 3, 15, 3 into 5, 15, that we have to write. Here also the same, 5 into 4 is 20, or 4 into 5 is 20. Next here also 6 into 3, 3 into 6 first, 3 into 6 18, 3 6 are 18, or 6 into 3 is 18. Next here also 3 into 7, first 3 into 7, 3 into 7 is 21, or 7 into 3 is 21. So, quotient into divisor is equal to dividend, or so dividend here divisor, divisor into quotient is equal to dividend, quotient into divisor, divisor into quotient, and you have the same answer only. 5 into 3, 3 into 5, but here the product is always dividend, product is always we have to take dividend. So, this is dividend. So, all these are dividends, dividends we have to write. So, but here we have to interchange quotient and dividend, dividend and quotient, divisor not dividend, divisor into quotient, quotient into divisor, in that way you have to write. Okay. So, these are the facts. So, when division fact is given, so we have to convert division fact as a multiplication fact. Okay. Now, here in the second bit multiplication facts are given. So, using this multiplication fact, so we have to write division fact, division fact. Here first we have to take this product, product is divided by any multiplicand 3, then you will get the second multiplicand. 21 divided by 3 you will get 7. In the second 21 divided by 7, then you will get 3. First 21 divided by 3, then you will get 7. Second 21 divided by 7, then you will get 3. Okay. In the same 32 divided by 8, 32 divided by 8, then you will get 4. In the second 32 divided by 4, then you will get 8. Next 24 divided by 4, 24 divided by 4, then you will get 6. 24 divided by 4, then you will get 6, or 24 divided by 6, then you will get 4. 24 divided by 6, then you will get 4. Now, 120 divided by 15, then you will get 8. 120 divided by 15, then you will get 8. The second 120 divided by 8, you will get 15. You will get 15. So, in this way we have to convert multiplication fact in division facts. So, division fact as multiplication facts. Okay.